Hello, my name's Josh from OnlineAutoParts.com.au. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and revealing our full Swivel Hub Kit. Alright guys, my name's Josh, I'm from OnlineAutoParts.com.au. Today we're going to be going through a full Swivel Hub Kit. So you can find all these available on our website for a lot of different vehicles. Also you'll find a lot of different ranges of kits, coming down from a basic kit all the way up to this kit today, which we're going to go through, which comes with basically everything you'll find on that front axle of the vehicle. So getting into the start with, you've got your full knuckle swivel and the gaskets required for the back of the vehicle, and also your front freewheeling hub gaskets as well. Also inside the kit you'll have 4 different seals, your rear hub bearing seals, your inner axle oil seals, new lock washers and locking nuts, shims. Now with the shims, they're not always required. You can replace them or reuse your old ones. You've obviously got to get that right tension up on those bearings up there, so you have them. And then we get into our bearings. So you've got the brass washers. These come with the spindles that go into with the spindle bearings. So you'll have these ones. And then obviously also going to come with your outer bearings and your inner wheel bearings to suit, and then also your knuckle bearings, top and bottom. Obviously this one being a full Swivel Hub Kit, you're obviously going to have the bearings. Breaking it down into the smaller kits for you, you will not receive the wheel bearings. You will receive your knuckle bearings, your gaskets, and a couple of seals here and there. So obviously being a mechanic of myself, always suggest you replace everything while you're in there. This being a big job, you don't want to have to go back 2 weeks later to replace your wheel bearings, because you're going to need all new gaskets and seals again. So like I always say, if you're going to do it once, do it right. You can find all these parts available for different vehicles and models at OnlineAutoParts.com.au.